So after seeing this, so he said, "This is the future."
He told them.
Yeah. So that is how we should be running our operation. So they were very impressed. So by seeing this.
And you said the second moment?
Second was one of our supplier. They, apart from us, they are also supplying other bigger player in the industry. So he has one of the customer at Chennai. So even they have similar system, but it is not blockchain. So there they were given access only to see uh, whatever is ordered onto them, and once the moment he is shipping, he is putting that data. But here we have that, and apart from that, we also said that in phase 2 we are going to add your payable invoice generation, challan generation, receipt, everything, that information also we are going to add and give it to you. So there he said, he said that Hindalco is really on a right path, and this blockchain solution, we never knew that such block, even again most of the people are aware that this is used for banking. So there he said even for supply chain also this is being applied. There they got highly impressed, and बहुत सही है, like हिंदी में he said बहुत सही है. Yeah. Because whatever which was being offered by other customer of him, our solution was much superior to that. So he said बहुत सही है, मेरे पास अभी जो है उससे बहुत सही है.
That's really nice.